Hi friends, in this video we will discuss how to install Node.js on your Windows operating system using Node Version Manager. That means NVM. NVM stands for Node Version Manager. It is a management tool to install, uninstall, switch between different versions of nodes on your system. I have already installed Node Version Manager. Let me check the version. NVM space -- version. My Node Version Manager version number is 1.1.11. NVM stands for Node Version Manager. So we are going to install a new Node.js on our system using this NVM. First, let me clear the terminal. Let me type NVM space list. It will list all the available Node.js versions on our system. We got the output, no installation recognized. Now let us try to install a version. NVM install space node. When we use NVM space install space node, it will install the current version. Let us go to nodejs.org/en. Current version is 20.1.0. Current latest features. Let us go here and enter. Look at here 20.1.0. Downloading Node.js version 20.1.0 64-bit. Let us wait. Our Node Version Manager is doing its work. Extracting Node and NVM. It will install Node Package Manager NVM with the Node. Look at here. NVM version 9.6.4 installed successfully. Installation complete. If you want to use this version, type NVM use 20.1.0. Okay, let us clear the terminal. Let us run our command again. NVM space list. Look at here. Currently we have Node 20.1.0 version. Currently by default there is only one Node version 20.1.0. Sometimes we have two different projects. One is in the Node version 20.1.0, one is in another version. So what we will do? We can easily handle these things using Node Version Manager. I will explain. For that, first let us install one more version of Node. NVM install. Here we have to specify our version. Let us go with this long-term support version 18.16.0. Recommended for most users. 18.64.0. 18.16.0. Enter. Downloading Node.js version 18.16.0 64-bit. Let us wait what will happen. So look at here, we installed latest current version of Node very easily without any error. So Node Version Manager is very powerful in handling, in controlling nodes, different versions of nodes. Look at here, NVM version 9.5.1 installed successfully. Now Node also installed. Let us clear the terminal. Let us list all the nodes. Look at here. Now we have 20.1.0, 18.16.0. If by default, if you want to use this 20.1.0, we have to execute the command NVM use 20.1.0 enter. Look at here. Now using Node V20.1.0 64-bit. Let us clear the terminal. Let us run this NVM list again. Look at here. Now we have another line here. Currently using 64-bit executable. So currently our system is having 20.1.0 version as the default version. If you want to switch to this 18.16.0, we have to use the same command. NVM use 18.16.0 enter. Look at here, now using Node V18.16.0. Let us take NVM list. Look at here, now this is the default Node version. So if you want to switch between different projects for different Node versions, you can use this Node Version Manager. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.